I stopped at the Utah Dump Diggers on my way home from Tucson, and I might have went a little bit crazy and bought quite a bit of dino bone. It's alright, I picked some good stuff, and I was really actually excited to get home and cut it, but a lot of it needed stabilized first, and between that and having so much other stuff to cut, I'm just now getting around to the dino bone. That's alright though, it was totally worth the wait. It's beautiful. This first piece was given to me by RockyMountainBear a couple of years ago, and I know he wanted me to cut it, but it was just so pretty I couldn't bring myself to cut it. But since I have a plethora of more other dino bones to cut, I decided to go ahead and just go cut crazy. I think I cut 4 or 5 different dino bones the other night on the big saw. Anyway, here's a few of them under the microscope for your enjoyment. Do please enjoy.